Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. On the Litecoin chart, we continue to see our 1-2 setup play out. We had a wave 1 to the upside here in a potential impulse with a wave 2 to the downside into our support area. Highlighted to you that below $88, the probabilities for a bullish breakout in a third wave rally higher will reduce. So ideally, price doesn't break below the $88 level. If it does, okay, it's not invalidated. We have 85.60 as relevant additional support, but below 81.77, the potential third wave rally is not going to work out because then we have an invalidation of the wave count. But already below $88, things are going to get difficult. Yeah, we'll see. So that is the level that needs to hold really. But I always show, or I tend to show the 88.7 fib level here in this case. And I explained why, because the A wave is very long. The B wave is very short. That doesn't really give the C wave a lot of space. So I said, look, one more low is still shown on the micro count as likely. So if it makes it one more low, it needs the 88.7 fib level before it recovers. So let's zoom in. The move down certainly looks corrective at the moment. I'm just going to zoom in here on the C wave. So far we're just respecting here the wave count so far. We had a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, a wave 3 down that bottomed together with Bitcoin on the 17th of July. And we could really be in this fourth wave still. A wave, yeah, B wave, double bottom yesterday, and a small C wave rally into resistance. I explained to you already yesterday that only if price breaks above 96.50, I have a view that this cannot really be a wave 4 anymore, and it could be something more bullish that's going on. Yeah. So at the moment, I would expect one more low here. Again, it doesn't need it. It doesn't necessarily need it. Maybe this was already the wave 5, but it would be very short. Therefore, I prefer, zoom in again. Therefore, I prefer that this fourth wave is unfolding as a so-called flat structure where the A wave was a 3-wave move. The B wave comes quite deep, sometimes can overshoot to the downside, and the C wave would unfold as 5 waves before it then comes down in the final wave to complete the C wave of wave 2. So at the moment, I'm watching it at any time here for a move down. It could get one more high in the 5th wave, but that is really the micro perspective. It doesn't need that one because it could just be a WXY. So what is more important than the micro, or in this case nano count? More important is the relevant level. So we've got resistance at 94.81 and 96.50. Again, as long as below 96.50, one more low is expected, and then we have support at 88, or let's call it 88.90, and then 85.60. I showed you yesterday some possible targets for this last wave down, but I had to base them obviously on yesterday's swing high. So now that we've made a slightly higher high in resistance, we can look at the targets again. But again, we might make one more high. I can really only give you, it's a bit of a guess at the moment because I haven't got a confirmed top in place for the wave 4. So if I measure the length of waves 1 through 3, go to the high of the 4, and then we're looking here at 88.47 as a potential target for this last wave down, or even 84.94, but that would be quite far away. But still, that is sort of a range that pretty much overlaps with the 2 last fib retracement levels anyway. Yeah, that's my update about Litecoin. And as long as we are not invalidating this 81.77 level, a third wave to the upside can play out. That would be the third wave of the 5th wave as it currently looks like. So still bullish, but just one concern here, and it's, not a small concern. The concern is that the C wave is quite short. Okay, the C wave is quite short, and that can sometimes lead to invalidations. Therefore, the support area is yellow and not green. Green would be a really high quality setup. Yellow is a little bit, it's okay. It's still an impulse that moved up here, but there is just this slight concern I have, and therefore the yellow color to indicate, okay, it's not like a 5-star setup. Okay, that's my update about Litecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.